Okay, I'm going to talk about MCAS, Mast Cell Activation Syndrome. This is sort of the big brother of histamine intolerance. This is where you get flares for no reason that you can tell. And you have to have it in more than 2 areas of the body being impacted. So you have histamine receptors in your skin and your gut, but you also have them in your respiratory system, your brain, your body, your heart, lots of places. And so when that gets really high, then for no reason, you start to get these flarings. The way we know it's really, there's no great testing for this. There is some testing, but there's no great testing. So one of the best ways is actually if you have histamine intolerance and you eat a food with histamine and it flares you, pretty clear. MCAS is going to be without eating those foods, you're going to have a flare. Could be temperature changes, could be stress. This is because the internal regulatory systems of your body aren't working properly. Those mast cells are too sensitive. So think swelling, shortness of breath, hives, diarrhea, or vomiting without a clear trigger. This is more likely MCAS, right? If you take an antihistamine, you'll feel better. That's kind of the clue that this is an MCAS issue. It's kind of how it has to work, right? A lot of times we think there's testing for everything in the world. There's not. There's so little testing, it's crazy. And the testing that we have are like tiny little bits of information that give us, that we have to infer. This is where doctors are so important. But if you have these severe symptoms in 2 or more areas, then that's more MCAS. And remember, histamine is a symptom. So it all begins in the gut. Gut. Wait, it's gut. Oh my God, is it gut? It's gut. So clearing and healing the gut, nurturing the microbiome. Remember, you've got like a zoo in your gut. You've got hippopotamuses and rhinoceroses and giraffes and toucans and fish and otters, and they all need different food. And they all need food that doesn't have pesticides and herbicides on them and heavy metals. And when we get those foods, then the body can work and heal, and it's like magic. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And so when we clean up and heal up that microbiome, among the other things that have to be done, suddenly the body can settle down. This is not a quick process. It is not easy, but it is totally possible. So if you have this or someone you know, please share this video with them because they don't have to suffer. It's going to be a work, but they don't have to suffer forever because you can actually heal MCAS as well. Okay, hope that's helpful.